Sir, many were hoping for you to discuss the security of tenure bill, which is, we believe, it has already been transmitted to your office. It will lapse into law in, I think, this week, sir. Ano na po ang nangyari doon?
Pinag-aralan namin mismo. I have to confer with a lot of people affected. You know, this is a toto tango to eh. So it would affect the employers, and of course it would also greatly favor the workers. It's a catch-22 for me.
Are you inclined to sign it, sir? Or veto some provisions?
Maybe it could go both, but
Could go both, sir. What do you
yeah.
think?
When I can veto it, I can sign it or allow it to lapse into law.